Hello everyone, I have got this Ring Spotlight Cam wired and let's do the unboxing together. So first of all, let's take this seal out. Okay, easy peel off. Then there is one more on the bottom section. Take that one out too. And all the features are written down over here. SD video and two-way talk, security siren, record and capture, advanced motion detection, weather resistant, and night vision. So let's get this thing out. So let me try to push it out. Okay. As soon as you take it out, you can actually be able to see. So let's look inside the box what we have. So you open it up and then you see this camera right here. Let me just pull it out, and once you pull it out, you can see this is how it looks. This looks perfect. Let's see what we have. We have a pretty long cable, and once the camera is mounted, it can be moved back and forth in any angle. So this is going to be nice, and as this is wired, we can just mount it on the wall and we need not to worry about the battery and charging. And here you can see there is a lock and unlock, so you can pretty much lock and unlock the camera over here. Keep it here on the side, and let's see what else in the box. Inside the box it has some document, some paperwork right here. So I'm going to keep it aside, and let's put this box aside and see what we have here. Inside this box we'll have a drill, we'll have a screwdriver, mount with leveler is also there, and we have some wire management kit which we can actually manage all the wires. And what else we have? We have all the tools needed to get this thing installed properly. So this is going to help to install, this is going to help to drill, and everything else is there. These are some mounting screws. So if you are mounting on a stucco or a drywall, then you can use this. So using all this tool, you will be able to mount the camera securely. So this is all about this particular camera. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make another video where you can see how to install this camera. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you.